Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the Brave browser settings to default. Resetting Brave can fix browser issues, remove unwanted changes, and restore original settings. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Brave browser on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Click the three lines on the top right corner, then click Settings. Step 3, on the left side, scroll down and click Reset Settings. Step 4, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A pop will occur, saying this will reset your startup page, new page tab, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Step 5, click Reset Settings to confirm. And that's how you reset the Brave browser settings to default. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you next one.